Welcome to CourseBook. Ready to kickstart your learning journey? To get started, enter your email address and password to sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll see all the CourseBook titles available to you. You can also personalize your profile. Click your profile icon and select My Profile. Here you can update your details and add a picture. If you've accessed a CourseBook title previously, you'll be able to see your progress in each title here. Click on a CourseBook title cover to jump straight back in to where you left off. When starting a new title, you'll be directed to the first chapter. Click on the Table of Contents icon in the top right corner to see all of the chapters and their sections within your CourseBook title. Here, you'll also be able to see those sections that you've already worked through. At the bottom of each section, you'll find a convenient navigation bar that enables you to jump to the previous or next section. Before diving into the content, make sure it's easy on your eyes. Click the letter icon in the top right corner to adjust the font type and size for a more comfortable reading experience. CourseBook isn't about simply consuming educational content. It's about making the content truly yours. Highlight any text and choose an action from the pop-up menu. Using the Highlight Annotate tool not only enables you to highlight important text to revisit later, but you can also attach detailed notes to your highlights. Need help with a tricky concept? The AI assistant can provide clarity or examples of any selected text. Use the Translate tool to read the selected content in your preferred language, like Afrikaans or isiZulu. The community space provides a dynamic space for you to chat with your peers or lecturers about what you're learning in real time. Share highlighted sections easily by clicking Share in Community Space, selecting your group, adding a quick message, and hitting Send. Your group will see your message instantly. In the community space, you can also reply to a specific message, share media and links, and mention other users to notify them directly. Additionally, you can create your own groups and add users from your institution. It's learning, but more social than ever. Every CourseBook title is packed with dynamic learning media to help you on your learning journey. Videos are seamlessly integrated into the content. However, by clicking on the relevant icon in the top right corner, they can also be accessed via the media playlist. You have the flexibility to watch videos within the panel, jump to their specific sections in the content, or enjoy them in full screen mode. As you work through your CourseBook title, you'll need to complete interactive digital activities designed to boost your understanding of the content. These interactions are also accessible through the media playlist. Each chapter includes quizzes to test your knowledge and help lock in what you've learned. These are accessible in the same convenient location as the interactive activities and videos. With easy navigation, powerful tools, and dynamic content, CourseBook is designed to make your learning journey effortless. Ready to get started?